To do was make a robot that was flexible, that we could move in and out as we needed it, move around the different machines as we need it. So we came up with this enclosure that allows us to wheel this up. We can lock it in place. We're just holding this with a couple of Destaco clamps. We have 3 connections. We have an air power and Ethernet, so in a matter of a few minutes we can have this thing connected up and running and making parts. Then when we need to move it out of the way to work on some fixturing or tooling issues or something like that, opening up, the robot's going to go in, it's going to grab the part. Since we have a vision system on it, we have out of that grinder time, since the cycle time on that grinder is much shorter than it is in the lathe. So you feed from the pin stamper into a cart here, and then separately we move those carts into the grinding cell. The same robot takes over and will feed the parts into the grinder. All of the machines, all the equipment are talking with each other, so the grinder knows the priority of this cell and knows that the lathe is first priority, the grinder second priority, and then the pin stamper is third priority. If it would get a call from all 3, it's going to go to the lathe first, and the grinder, and then the pin stamper. We're using